Welcome back. Let's go ahead and create another file where we are going to learn about variable naming convention. So, naming convention .py. So, whenever we are creating variables, there are certain naming conventions we should follow. Let's say I create a variable with name age. If it is just a simple word, then we can say age and then let's say 24. But let's say if it is something like employee age, then we have two options. Either we say employee underscore age 24, or we can say employee with the next word, which is age, A capital and GE 24. Similarly, if I have to write employee name, then it should be like this, John. In our previous example also, we followed naming convention. So we kept EMP N capital and then EMP age A capital. We could have also removed this A and put this and done like this age. So that's also fine. That's allowed. But we should not do like this ampersand, or that's not allowed, or ampersand dollar ampersand dot, or maybe a dot here. These things are not allowed. We should not use them. Of course, numbers are allowed, so we can say employee name 1, 2, 3, like that. Those are allowed, but don't use any other special characters than underscore. So let's assume we are declaring a constant which is not going to change. So for that, always use capital letter, which is pi. Let's say for pi, which is the value 3.14, is never going to change, and this is a constant, so I'm going to write everything in capital letters. So these are certain naming conventions that we should follow while declaring or creating our variables. Let's also go ahead and rename this file to variables, because we did details about variables here. So if you want to rename on a file, right click on that, click on refactor and then rename, and here I will say variables and click on refactor. It's going to change everything here, and if I run this, the program should work as expected. So this is it for this video, and I hope you understood how to use naming conventions for declaring variables. Thank you.